Supply coming in. Circuit box, fucking fuses, breakers, whatever you want to call them. Load coming out. 120 to the machine, along with 24-volt wire. I have a heat exchange.
Okay, inside one.
Main gas line, gas valve.
That's nipple. Huh?
Exhaust valve.
Nipple or nipple? What is it called?
Draft sensor.
No, it's not. No. It's not.
Induction fan.
What do you call office?
What's this one again? Because I ain't been told 100 fucking times.
Which one?
This one.
The pressure switch.
Pressure switch, pressure tube, main gas valve, manifold, orifice, shock heater, shock burner.
How about this?
Main gas valve.
No, this one? That's solenoid.
Solenoid.
Yeah, this is a gas regulator.
I'm making a fucking video, Dick.
Oh, come on, man! You didn't say that. Next time you fucking.
It's alright. Which one's this one? Which one? What's that one, Bubba? What's that one then?
That's No, that's a main limit switch.
Main limit switch.
Yeah.
My flame rollout fucking sensors. Stupid fucking box switch. I can't even think of the name of it. Fuck it, I don't care.
The safety device.
Safety device.
Door safety.
My igniter's down there. Got my fucking step down transformer. T-stack grid. Dip out switch. Fuse, LED indicator, relay, capacitor, fan, blower, cage, motor, whatever the fuck they're calling it. My AC, my air filter, my return air filter.
It's called wheel housing and motor.
Wheel housing and motor? Emanual fucking knows it all, don't you? You know what? That's what's up, nigga. I ain't tripping on you. I ain't hating on knowledge. Fuck that.
It's alright.
If I was hating, I wouldn't ask what it was.
You didn't.
I got air filter.
Filter?
Yeah. Well, then break it down for me.
This one?
What is that?
That's a drive switch.
Drive. What?
Draft
down.
Draft down switch.
Drive down switch.
And this a pressure switch.
My pressure switch. Okay.
This one is
induction fan. That's the induction fan.
ICM. Induced fan motors. Induced fan motors.
Fucking y'all get technical, huh?
Yeah, induced fan motors.
Okay.
And these gas regulators. All this is gas regulators.
All right.
And this one right here is solenoid. This guy right here is limit.
Limit what?
This one. Main limit switch. Main limit switch. This flame rollout. Right here. Flame rollout. And we have the old system here. It's called manifold. But we have the inside burner inside, and the shop and office. Okay. And here is a door safety device.
You motherfuckers in that door safety device. Y'all niggas love that.
You don't. Oh yeah. You don't.
I keep forgetting it every fucking time.
Yeah,
man.
yeah. And we have the step down transformers.
120 to 24 volts.
Yes. And here we have the old system here. The old unit here is called the socket board. And here we have the set terminals, where we have the green. The green is for
Blower motor.
Is for blower motors. The blue is common. The white is for heat, and the yellow is for cool, and the red is for power. And then here we have the fuse. Here we have the deep switch, and here we have the
relay.
The relays.
What about your LED indicator?
LED, yeah, indicator light.
All right.
Here. And we have the running capacitor.
Running capacitor.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
And the old system here We have 3 things in there: the housing, the motor, and the wheel. And we have the filter here. So the one you handle right here is gas line or gas pipe, and we have the valve. And here we have this heat
Exchange.
What else? Which one are we missing? Sorry.